Today, we're testing slime myths to see if they're true or false. Our first slime myth is that you can't make slime backwards. We're gonna do everything in the reverse order. So the last thing that you normally would add with slime is scent oil. So I'm gonna be making a cotton candy themed slime. So we're just gonna add our scent oil first. That is very potent cotton candy. And then we're gonna add our dye. Look at that. That looks like ketchup. Our next ingredient is activator. So let's add a little bit in there. And then now I guess we'll mix our ingredients. So this is what deconstructed slime looks like. Without basically any glue, it's essentially just liquid scent oil. Our last ingredient, or which would normally be our first ingredient, is glue. So we're just gonna add a little bit in and hopefully this should activate and turn it into glue. I don't know why that the order of adding stuff into this mixture would matter, but maybe it does. I think this is a silly myth, but hopefully we can prove it wrong. That should be pretty good. So I think we just gotta mix, and it should turn into slime, hopefully. So wow, look at that. That looks like slime if I've ever seen any in my day. Let's take this out of the bowl. Look at that. I mean, granted, it is deconstructed and totally needs to be like mixed in, but like I would argue this is slime. What do you think, Dan? He said slime. All right, so I'd say this myth is busted. You can make slime with ingredients backwards. Myth number 2 is that you can make slime by just pouring glue into a tub of activator. So we have this tub that is filled with activator and we have this little thing of gold glue. It is made with 24 karat gold. It is very expensive. Please make sure to like the video so I can continue making videos like this. So we're just gonna pour this glue right into the activator and it should essentially turn into slime. I don't know, but it looks really cool. I didn't expect it to be like moving around like that. Essentially, we're like mixing it by just over activating it. I'm not sure if this is gonna work or not. That looks insanely cool. It almost looks like a lava lamp or something like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna take my spoon and kind of just mix it together. Whoa, that's insane. Wait, that looks like a membrane. So if you don't know, activator is just water and borax. There's other ways to do it, but that's the way we use it at Peachybbies. And that's essentially what turns glue into slime. So I think I'm just gonna try to pour it in. The moment of truth. Oh, I can feel strings. That is so weird. It literally feels like I'm like touching tentacles of like a thing. Whoa. It's basically just incredibly overactivated. It's got no stretch, but I would argue to say that this myth is confirmed. I would say that this is slime. It's not good slime, like slime shouldn't be doing this, but nonetheless, it is slime. So yeah, myth confirmed. Our next myth is that you can make slime with contact solution. So I have some contact solution here and Aaron is gonna be making slime the normal way with borax and activator. I feel like you'll get this pretty easily.
Very surprised if this works out in your favor.
I just added a bunch, so hopefully that can turn this glue into slime. I mean, yours is already curling.
I think I may have added too much again.
Yours is straight up slime and we're like, what, like not even 30 seconds into this? I'm just gonna add way too much. All right, that feels like that's enough. It is like not hurting at all. It's making bubbles, which is cool. That is straight up glue. We do not have slime yet. You definitely look like you have slime.
I will in a second.
You have slime. That is slime. Is it good slime? No.
Well, it will be in a second. I'm not very good at making good slime.
I mean, at this point, it's just gonna turn into a water slime. Yeah, I don't think this one works. This is a busted myth. You cannot make slime with contact solution. I feel like people in the comments are gonna get mad at me.
Why?
Because I feel like there's gonna be people that says you can, but like, listen, I just added like so much. That is straight up glue.
Look at my perfect, beautiful slime that I made with normal activator and zero eye contact solution at all.
On to the next one. Our next myth is that if you mix all the colors of the rainbow into slime, it'll turn into a dark green color. So I have all the colors of the rainbow. We have a plain jelly slime. I guess let's just mix them all in. And this is strictly just because it looks cool. Whoa, oh my gosh. That was 100% worth it. This is what it looks like when you don't mix it together. Before we mix it together, I just want to throw a little bit of activator to get that color blending going. There we go. All right, let's mix this bad boy together. It is turning into some sort of a green. It looks kind of like brownish to me. It could be that we just used the different proportions. The part that I'm pointing at looks dark green and this looks like brown. So it could just be that it's not fully mixed, but I would say that this one is confirmed. I think if you mix it all together, it'll turn like a dark green. We have white glue and we have clear glue, and the myth is that you cannot mix these glues together to make slime. It's supposedly impossible. So let's pour some clear glue in. Maybe that's it. And then now we'll take some white glue. Whoa, that looks so sick. That feels right. So it's really cool. You can kind of see that the white is like submerged in the clear. Like that looks awesome. Before I activate this slime, I think I just want to mix it together just to see what it will do. Whoa, it almost looks like a creamy foam or something. So I don't see why that this wouldn't activate if I threw some activator in, because now it's fully mixed in. You basically can't even tell that there's clear glue. Let's just throw in some activator. So it looks like it's curding, so I would argue that this is already turning into slime. Let's throw in some color. Let's do some Georgia peach, so throw that on there. So let's mix this bad boy together, get that color going. It looks kind of like orange now, but it should turn into a peach. Just forget how these hand mixing videos, it's just a workout. If you guys have any slime myths, why don't you comment down below and maybe I'll try them in the next video. Maybe the myth is right that you can't mix these together. Wait, yeah, what the heck? This is still like glue. I don't know, what do you think? Is this slime? It's making like two different slimes at the same time. Like why isn't it activating so quickly? But I do feel like it kind of worked. It's just, I don't know if they really mix together or not. I'm gonna leave this one open. I don't know whether to say this one is confirmed or not. Next myth is that you can't mix 10 pounds of glitter into slime. I don't know why it's so specific, like why 10 pounds? I don't know. Let's cut this bad boy open. Nice. Wow, that is going very slowly. That is mesmerizing. Oh, wow. The weight of the glitter is pushing down, and so it's bringing the like top of it up because it's not mixed in yet. So like the surface tension, that looks insane. That's so cool. Oh, that feels so satisfying. It's such a cool color. It's called Snake Eyes. Yeah, I would say that you can mix 10 pounds of glitter into slime, so I'd say that that myth is busted.
I got this one, Christian. I have a myth. If this slime can work as a baseball and you can hit it, you get a Red Bull.
I don't even like caffeine though.
Deal with it.
Up next, we got Christian from Peachybbies. Can he hit the ball? We're gonna find out.
You hit me. Hey!
Nice.
I get that Red Bull.
You get a Red Bull.
And the myth is confirmed. Next slime myth is that you can use slime to clean your car. So we don't recommend this with Peachybbies, so we're gonna do it so you don't have to. So we have a floor mat here. This is genuinely how disgusting my floor mat is. And I'm just gonna see if the slime will kind of pick up any of the debris. Oh, okay. Is it picking it up? Yes. Oh, absolutely, look at that. This is actually working out pretty well. Oh gosh, I just don't want it to get stuck. Well, here, see all this dog hair, all that dust? Look at that, clean. You can even see it. Look at that, clean. Where slime touched it, where slime didn't touch it. I would say that this myth is confirmed, but please do not use your slime for this. Just enjoy it for fun. Our final myth is that you cannot hydro dip slime. So what hydro dipping is that you essentially cover a layer of like water with spray paint, and then you will take whatever object you want to color. So in this case, we're gonna use slime. And then essentially it like forms around the object. People do this with shoes typically. So we're gonna try it with slime. Let's go for it. So please do not try this at home. Gonna shake it. Want a touch of yellow? Now that the water is fully covered with that, let's just dip the slime in the water and see what happens. I think you're supposed to do it kind of slow. Then maybe like, oh my God, it actually worked. That's crazy. It actually worked. I genuinely thought this wasn't gonna work. So now let's mix it together. Should be actually a really cool color. It's like a blue and this really cool teal. Whoa, this actually turned it into a really nice color. Look at that. That myth is confirmed. If you have any other slime myths, comment down below. Make sure to leave a like, and we'll see you in the next video.